Hello everyone. Welcome to Teddy Bear's English Stream. Today we will focus on the high-frequency scenario of family, appearance, and common things. We have compiled 20 basic words, covering family member titles, appearance description words, and common thing names. Let's start learning together. Sister,
S-I-S-T-E-R.
sister, sister. N. A female who has the same parents as you, or a female who is your parents' daughter. I have a little sister. She is 5 years old. I have a little sister. She is 5 years old. I have a little sister. She is 5 years old. My sister likes to sing songs. My sister likes to sing songs. My sister likes to sing songs. Brother,
B-R-O-T-H-E-R.
brother, brother. N. A male who has the same parents as you, or a male who is your parent's son. My brother plays basketball every Sunday. My brother plays basketball every Sunday. My brother plays basketball every Sunday. I often play games with my little brother. I often play games with my little brother. I often play games with my little brother. Grandmother,
G-R-A-N-D-M-O-T-H-E-R.
grandmother, grandmother. N. Your mother's mother or your father's mother. My grandmother makes delicious cakes for me. My grandmother makes delicious cakes for me. My grandmother makes delicious cakes for me. I visit my grandmother every weekend. I visit my grandmother every weekend. I visit my grandmother every weekend. Grandma,
G-R-A-N-D-M-A.
grandma, grandma. N. A casual way to say grandmother, used to call your mother's mother or father's mother. Grandma tells me stories before bed. Grandma tells me stories before bed. Grandma tells me stories before bed. I help Grandma water the flowers. I help Grandma water the flowers. I help Grandma water the flowers. Grandfather,
G-R-A-N-D-F-A-T-H-E-R.
grandfather, grandfather. N. Your mother's father, or your father's father. My grandfather likes to read newspapers in the morning. My grandfather likes to read newspapers in the morning. My grandfather likes to read newspapers in the morning. Grandfather takes me to the park every Saturday. Grandfather takes me to the park every Saturday. Grandfather takes me to the park every Saturday. Grandpa,
G-R-A-N-D-P-A.
grandpa, grandpa. N. A casual way to say grandfather, used to call your mother's father, or father's father. Grandpa teaches me how to fly a kite. Grandpa teaches me how to fly a kite. Grandpa teaches me how to fly a kite. I have dinner with Grandpa every Friday. I have dinner with Grandpa every Friday. I have dinner with Grandpa every Friday. Family,
F-A-M-I-L-Y.
family, family. N. A group of people who are related to each other, like parents and their children. I have a happy family. I have a happy family. I have a happy family. My family often has dinner together. My family often has dinner together. My family often has dinner together. Thin.
Thin.
Thin. Thin. AJ. Having little body fat, not thick, not wide. The girl is thin. The girl is thin. The girl is thin. This book is thin. This book is thin. This book is thin. Fat.
FAT.
Fat. Fat. AJ. Having a lot of body fat, thicker than usual. The cat is fat. The cat is fat. The cat is fat. This piece of bread is fat. This piece of bread is fat. This piece of bread is fat. Tall.
TALL.
Tall. Tall. AJ. Having a greater height than usual, not short. The boy is tall. The boy is tall. The boy is tall. That tree is tall. That tree is tall. That tree is tall. Short.
SHORT.
Short. Short. AJ. Having a small height, not long, not tall. My little brother is short. My little brother is short. My little brother is short. This pencil is short. This pencil is short. This pencil is short. Long.
LONG.
Long. Long. AJ. Having a great length, not short. The river is long. The river is long. The river is long. Her hair is long. Her hair is long. Her hair is long. Small.
SMALL.
Small. Small. AJ. Of little size, not big, not large. The bird is small. The bird is small. The bird is small. I have a small bag. I have a small bag. I have a small bag. Big.
BIG.
Big. Big. AJ. Of large size, not small, not little. The elephant is big. The elephant is big. The elephant is big. That house is big. That house is big. That house is big. Giraffe.
GIRAFFE.
Giraffe. Giraffe. N. A tall African animal with a very long neck and long legs, which eats leaves from tall trees. I see a giraffe in the zoo. I see a giraffe in the zoo. I see a giraffe in the zoo. The giraffe has a long neck. The giraffe has a long neck. The giraffe has a long neck. So.
SO.
So. So. ADV. To such a great degree, used to show the amount or degree of something. The flower is so beautiful. The flower is so beautiful. The flower is so beautiful. He runs so fast. He runs so fast. He runs so fast. So.
S-O.
So. So. Konje. Therefore, as a result, used to show a reason, or result. I am hungry, so I eat a cake. I am hungry, so I eat a cake. I am hungry, so I eat a cake. It rains, so we stay at home. It rains, so we stay at home. It rains, so we stay at home. Children.
C-H-I-L-D-R-E-N.
Children. Children. N. The plural form of child, meaning more than one young person, who is not yet an adult. The children are playing in the park. The children are playing in the park. The children are playing in the park. I read stories to the children every week. I read stories to the children every week. I read stories to the children every week. Child.
C-H-I-L-D.
Child. Child. N. A young person who is not yet an adult, a kid. The child is drawing a picture. The child is drawing a picture. The child is drawing a picture. I was a happy child when I was small. I was a happy child when I was small. I was a happy child when I was small. Tail.
T-A-I-L.
Tail. Tail. N. The long, thin part at the back of some animals' bodies, used for balance or communication. The dog wags its tail when it is happy. The dog wags its tail when it is happy. The dog wags its tail when it is happy. The cat has a long tail. The cat has a long tail. The cat has a long tail. On.
O-N.
On. On. Prep. Used to show that something is in a position above and touching another thing, or used to indicate a day or date. The book is on the desk. The book is on the desk. The book is on the desk. We have a party on Sunday. We have a party on Sunday. We have a party on Sunday. Perfect. Now let's use what we just learned to work through a few practice questions. Just reply with your answers in the comment section. I'm really looking forward to your answers. Which word refers to your father's mother according to the word list? A. Sister. B. Grandmother. C. Child. D. Family. What part of speech is the word tall in the word list? A. Noun. B. Pronoun. C. Adjective. D. Verb. Which sentence correctly uses the word giraffe, as defined in the word list? A. The giraffe has a short neck. B. The giraffe likes to eat leaves from tall trees. C. The giraffe lives in the sea. D. The giraffe is a small animal. What does the word children mean according to the word list? A. A group of young people, usually kids. B. A group of old people. C. A group of teachers. D. A group of animals. Time's up for today's Daily English. Bye-bye everyone. See you next time, and don't forget to hit the follow button for more English tips.